Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are best in health at home. This is week 6 Pakistan Studies, April 21, topic interim government, page number 38 and 39. And 3rd June plan we will read 1947 plan, page number 39, 40 and 41, 42 page. April 22, topic implementation of 3rd June 1947 plan, and page number 42, 43, 44. And partition and the creation of Pakistan 1947 will read on page number 44. Okay, let's start. Interim government 1946 1947, it was the temporary government which was run only before the plebiscite or election. Okay, it was pertinent means having precise or logical, that Viceroy should have invited Muslim League to make interim government, because Muslim League had accepted the whole of the plan. It was stated in the plan that if any major political party, it was written in the plan that if any major political party agrees to the plan, it will be implemented, it will be enforced, but this could not be done. The Viceroy of India invited both All Indian National Congress as well as All Indian Muslim League to make the government. He assigned the office of Prime Minister to Pandit Nehru unethically, unmorally, illegally. According to plan, Congress and the Muslim League had to nominate 6 and 5 ministers respectively. 6 from All Indian National Congress, 5 from All Indian Muslim League. Congress started to constitute the cabinet. Pandit Nehru invited Muslim League to nominate 5 members. Muslim League was frustrated, got upset, and annoyed, got angry at the breaking of promise by the government. The Viceroy also asked Muslim League to join the government, but Muslim League expressed its grievances with an allegation, sorrowness, sadness, and deadlock appeared. It was thought in the Muslim League Council that it should not be the of the period of the rule of the Congress ministers 1937 to 1939, because it happened so the Hindus will inflict atrocities. Atrocities means the quality of being shockingly cruel and inhuman. And cruelties mean inhuman treatment on the Muslim League. Inflict means impose something unpleasantly. Atrocities mean the quality of being shockingly cruel and inhuman. Moreover, it seemed that the British were going to quit India, and in these conditions, if Congress had its open page number for 39. If Congress monopoly mean hold, the Muslim would have to suffer a lot of problem. Despite the cruelties of the government, inhuman treatment of the government, it was decided that the invitation of the Viceroy of India should be accepted. It was also decided to send 5 ministers of the Muslim League in the interim government. After holding dialogue with the Viceroy of India, Quaid-e-Azam showed the agreedness to cooperate with him. Muslim League announced to play its role after joining the government. The 5 ministers from Muslim League were as under: Liaquat Ali Khan, Abdul Rab Nashtar, Ibrahim Ismail Chandrigar, Raja Zafar Ali Khan, Jugandra Nath Mandel. Jugandra Nath Mandel belonged to the untouchable caste, Achut of the Hindus. Through the nomination of Mandel, Muslim League proved that it was not only playing the role of protector of the rights of the Muslim, but also that of the other minorities too. Congress included a Muslim League, Abdul Kalam Azad, in the cabinet and tried to convey the message that it also presented by the Muslim League. Muslims. Question number 10, if you will see how many ministers were included in the interim government, 5 ministers from Muslim League were included. These are all. This is your short question number 10. Now please, 3rd June plan 1947, the failure of Lord Wavell. As Viceroy, Lord Wavell could neither make his plan a success nor cabinet Muslim mission met with success. Both were failed. Lord Wavell as well as cabinet mission plan, both were failed in order to make happy and gain the favor of Congress. An attempt to implement half of the cabinet mission plan was made without the grouping of provinces, formation of interim government and constitution framing process was started. Qaid-e-Azam allowed the Muslim League to take part in the interim government, expediently serving to promote your interest. But he decided to boycott the legislative assembly. He wanted to enforce the whole of the plan. Thus, the process of framing the constitution could not be started. Disappointed by the deadlock, the British government decided to adopt a new line of action. The British government replaced Lord Wavell by Lord Mountbatten. They sent Lord Mountbatten in replacement of Lord Wavell because he was failed. In March 1947, he was sent to India as Viceroy when the implementation process of transfer of power was at the last stage. On 20th February 1947, the British Prime Minister announced that the British rule in the subcontinent will come to an end by June 1948. They announced the British government remained not be continued. Negotiation with political parties. Sorry for interruption. Negotiation, open page number 40. Negotiation with political parties. What is meant by negotiation? Dialogue with terms and condition, an agreement coming to term and condition. At last, the British government started to final planning to wind up its power. It means British rule is over there. Going to over. The British Prime Minister sent Lord Mountbatten to the subcontinent with clear instructions. Immediately, at once, after his arrival, he met important leaders and held negotiation, starting dialogue with them. He met Nawabs and Rajas of princely states. He realized that no solution other than partition could be found. Now there was the question of establishing the principles of partition. One after another, the leaders of Congress started to think two-nation theory a reality. They were admitting its reality. To think two-nation theory it a reality. Lord Mountbatten and Lady Mountbatten had personal relations with Nehru family. Other leaders of Congress also considered Mountbatten their sympathetic, having sympathies and love and affectionate friend. Considering the partition indispensable unavoidable, indispensable, unavoidable. A conspiracy, secret agreement to harm someone was planned by the Congress. Collaboration with Lord Mountbatten to complete the process of partition in such a manner as a truncated, shortened, imbalanced, and weak Pakistan was made that would be compelled to be a part of India soon. Lord Mountbatten, with the help of his staff, started framing the basic principles of partition in order to determine by boundary lines of both of the countries. He assured the leaders of the Congress confidentially that the partition process would take place according to their wishes and the conditions laid down by them would be preferred. It was the result of a conspiracy. Conspiracy means secret agreement, secret planning to make someone harm. That the main leaders of the Congress began to avoid opposing the partition. Lord Mountbatten took the scheme prepared in secret with Congress to London for approved by the British government. Actually, it was the secret plan against Muslim League and as well as Pakistan to create a weakened Pakistan, and it would be forced, would be compelled to rejoin again India. It was their planning. All parties conference. When Mountbatten came back from London, he convened me to meet to call together an all parties conference. He called all parties conference. Convened me calling together all parties conference. Qaid-e-Azam Liaquat Ali Khan, Sardar Abdul Rahab Nashtar, Pandit Nehru, Sardar Patel, Ashwarya Kripalani and Baldev Singh participated in it. Viceroy of India explained the various aspects of the partition plan. Afterwards, he held separate meeting with leaders of each party. On 3rd June 1947, the second session of the conference was conducted. All the leaders approved the plan, despite the promise made with Muslims had been breached. Muslims' promise had been broken, and injustice was done to gain the goodwill of the leaders of the Congress. Qaid-e-Azam accepted the plan unwillingly. Unpleasantly, the speeches of the representatives of both the major parties were broadcast on radio. Qaid-e-Azam ended his speech with Pakistan Zindabad. Main points of 3rd June 1947 plan. These are the main points of 1947 plan. The government made the decision to partition the subcontinent, acknowledging the principal stand of establishment of two states. The government settled the details and developed the program regarding the future of the various provinces and states. And these are the first one, third June plan. The Punjab and Bengal province should be belong to Pakistan. The Provincial Legislative Assembly of Punjab and Bengal were to meet in two groups, Muslim majority districts and non-Muslim majority districts. The member of the two parts of each legislative assembly sitting separately will be empowered to vote whether or not the province should be partitioned. If any one of the two decided in favor of the division of the partition province, then the Governor General would appoint a boundary commission to demarcate the province. Demarcate means to separate, to divide the province. The Northwest Frontier Province. This is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. A referendum, a legislative act for final approval to popular you may say in a simple word, voting, would be held in Northwest Frontier Province to ascertain whether they wish to join Pakistan or India. The political issue of the tribal areas would be settled by the government that is formed after the referendum. The Governor General would conduct referendum himself and for his purpose. He would have the cooperation of the provincial government. This is the third plan. Sindh Assembly would decide the future state of the province through the majority of vote. It would be decided whether the province would wish to join Pakistan or India. The European members of the Sindh Assembly would not have the right to vote. European would not include in it, in this plebiscite or in this election. Balochistan. Balochistan had not been the status of province till then according to the plan. The opinion of the Quetta municipality and Sindh and Shahi Jirga would be sought. The official members would not be included in voting. District Sylhet. District of Sylhet in Assam and Muslim majority population. According to the plan, it was decided to hold referendum in Sylhet. The referendum would be conducted after the partition of Bengal into two parts. If the majority of the people decides to join the East Bengal, they would form a part of Pakistan. Non-Muslim majority provinces, the whole of the Assam, excluding Sylhet, would become a part of India. Likewise, Bihar, Orissa, Upper Punjab, UP, Upper Punjab, Central Punjab, Upper Punjab and Central Punjab, Bombay and Madras would be included in India princely states. There were 635 such states in the subcontinent as were ruled by the Nawabs or Rajas. Some important states include Jammu and Kashmir, Kapurthala, Bikaner, Hyderabad, Deccan, Sawat, Dir, Patiala, Bahawalpur and Junagadh. These states were also given the option to decide their future and join the country of their own choice. Implementation of 3rd June Plan 1947. It was the 3rd June Plan. Now we will study on April 21,